How to use Salesforce Mobile App. In this beginner tutorial for 2025, I will show you the basics step by step, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to your App Store or Google Play and then search for Salesforce, and then install the official app, which is this logo. And then log in using your Salesforce account credentials, or make one if you don't have. Step 2. Once you are inside, you will see your home dashboard with quick access to your tasks, opportunities, and recent activity. Step 3. Tap the menu icon and choose leads or accounts. And here you can view, edit, and create new records on the go. Step 4. Tap the plus button and enter the contact details and then save them. This ensures your team can instantly see the new lead. Step 5. Take advantage of the global search or voice commands to quickly find the records without scrolling. And that's it. You know how to use Salesforce. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.